Yo, what up, Teacher Tobin, Infinite Fire, Burning Wild and Deep once again. So I'm out here right now. I've been building this. Well, me and my partner have been building this together. We had a lot of other plants throughout the season. We had strawberries, we had herbs, we had lettuce, kale. Right now we got tomatoes and cucumbers mainly. These look like some seedlings just dropped in and started growing themselves. So this is our first garden. We actually have started growing, but this is provided at least, this one cucumber plant in itself has provided at least 50 cucumbers, um, and they keep coming. So it's a really worthwhile investment. I would highly recommend. Anybody who's really serious about their health and getting it together, wanting to come back into nature, is to get your green thumb going, because it provides a lot of food and sustenance. It's not everything that I eat, obviously, but a good way to save in, cash in. Also got my crystals, minerals, and rocks surrounding it, and my dinosaurs as well. So yeah, man, that's what it is right there, man. I'm just out here in this Oregon smoke right now, making it happen and doing my thing. Just wanted to share my garden with y'all. Peace.